keyboard replacement, and deep cleaning on Asus FX507ZC4-HN053W laptop. Thank you, Sir Pachalo, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The Asus FX507ZC4-HN053W laptop underwent a comprehensive maintenance service that included a full keyboard replacement and a deep internal cleaning to restore its usability, stability, and long-term durability. Over time, the laptop had developed issues with unresponsive keys and accumulated dust inside its cooling system, both of which negatively impacted the overall performance of the device. The first part of the procedure involved a replacement of the faulty keyboard. The existing keyboard showed signs of wear and malfunction, with multiple non-functional and sticky keys that affected the user's ability to type efficiently. To address this, the laptop was carefully disassembled to access the keyboard assembly. The defective keyboard was removed and replaced with a brand new, model-specific replacement. Once installed, the new keyboard was tested for accuracy, responsiveness, and smooth operation across all keys, ensuring a reliable and comfortable typing experience. The second stage of the service was focused on deep cleaning the internal components. Like most high-performance laptops, the Asus FX507ZC4-HN053W is prone to dust buildup, especially around its cooling system, which includes the fans, heat sink, and ventilation areas. Excessive dust restricts airflow, causes the laptop to overheat, and can even lead to performance throttling during heavy workloads, such as gaming or content creation. During the deep cleaning process, the device was fully opened, and the cooling system was thoroughly cleaned using anti-static brushes, compressed air, and proper tools. The old thermal paste applied to the CPU and GPU was also removed and replaced with fresh, high-quality thermal compound, ensuring better heat dissipation and more efficient cooling. After the completion of both services, the laptop was reassembled and subjected to a series of tests to confirm successful maintenance. The new keyboard functioned without issues, delivering precise and responsive input, while the internal cleaning restored efficient airflow and reduced system temperatures. As a result, the fans now operate more quietly, and the risk of overheating has been minimized. In conclusion, the combined service of keyboard replacement and deep cleaning successfully revitalized the Asus FX507ZC4-HN053W laptop. The device is now more stable, runs cooler, and provides improved reliability for both everyday use and demanding tasks. These maintenance procedures not only resolved the immediate issues, but also extended the overall lifespan of the laptop, ensuring dependable performance for years to come. Keyboard replacement and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.